What's up, everybody? It's your boy Steven Adams here, and today we're gonna do some more Cyanide and Happiness shorts. This one is called Seagull by Explosive Entertainment. 55-second video, actually. If you want to watch the original video, the link will be in the description down below. It's by Explosive Entertainment. So, time to start the video. 3, 2, 1. Boop.
Oh! Huh? What the? Oh! What? What? Huh. All right. Oh, my fucking sandwich!
What the freak? Okay, that escalated quickly. Freaking seagulls just making him just making him a sandwich and then they just started ripping his head off. Oh god, this is gonna be good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to watch the original video, the link will be in the description down below. It's by Explosive Entertainment. Go subscribe there. Up next is Interrogation. Is that how you pronounce that one? I can't pronounce that one. But that's what's coming up next, though. So, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. See you all next video. Peace out. And try not to get your heads ripped off by a seagull.
You found Blake!
I'm not.
Hey, Ruby, stop! Hi, Blake! Hi! Poke, poke, poke! Poke, poke, poke! Poke, poke!
Stop ignoring.